Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is t square minus t cube equals 252. You have to find the value of t. For this purpose, we will write this equation as t square minus t cube minus 252 equals 0. Now we can write 252 as 216 minus 36. The reason is that 216 equals 6 cube and 36 equals 6 square. So t square minus t cube minus 6 cube minus 6 square equals 0. Now we will arrange this. So t square minus 6 square minus t cube minus 6 cube equals 0. Now we will write this t square c square minus t cube plus 6 cube equals 0. Here we will apply the formula of a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. And here we apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, that equals a plus b. We will write this as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we will write this as t minus 6 into t plus 6, and minus is taken as common. So this will be t plus 6 into a square means t square minus ab means 6t and plus b square means 36. Now from this equation we can take t plus c as common. So remaining will be t minus c minus t square minus 6t plus 36, that equals 0. Now in the next step we will write this as t plus 6. From this we have t minus 6 minus t square plus 6t minus minus is plus 6t minus 36 equals 0. So t plus 6, here we have minus t square, 6t plus 1t is 7t, and minus 36 minus 6 is minus 42, that equals 0. Now we have two factors. First is t plus 6 equals 0, or other one is minus t square plus 7t minus 42 equals 0. We will arrange this again. From this we have the value of t, that equals minus 6. And now from this we will write this as t square by taking minus as common, minus 7t plus 42 equals 0. Now on this we cannot make the factor, so we will apply the quadratic formula on this to find the value. So t equals minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 of a, and here we have the value of a is 1, b is minus 7, and the value of c is 42. So we get t equals minus b, minus into minus 7, then plus minus b square means 7 square minus 4 into the value of a is 1 and the c is 42 divided by 2 of a means 2 of 1. So minus minus will plus, plus minus 7 square is 49 minus 42 into 4 is 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. So this is 168 divided by 2. Now we will subtract 160 minus 49, so it will become equals minus 119 divided by 2. So we know that square root of -1 equals iota, because iota square equals -1. So when we take square root on both sides, so we will get iota equals -1. So we will write in place of this that t equals 7 plus minus 119 multiplied by -1. So it will become 7 plus minus 119 into other one is -1 divided by 2. So t equals 7 plus minus 119 iota divided by 2. Now we will write the final answer. So t1 equals -6, t2 equals 7 plus root 119 iota divided by 2, and root 3 equals 7 minus root 119 iota divided by 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned. Take care.